Welcome! This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. If you're starting a pest control company in 2026 and want to hit the ground running without breaking the bank, this guide is for you. Today, we're covering the top 7 essential tools you need to get out there and start servicing customers right away, all for around $1,000 or less. No brand preferences here, just practical proven tools every new operator should have. Number 1. Use a web pole with a brush head. Its cost, $80–120. One of the most effective and affordable tools you can own is a web pole with a brush attachment. This tool delivers one of the biggest visual impacts for your customers, removing spiderwebs, wasp nests, and debris from soffits, fascia, windows, and entryways creates an instant before and after effect. It shows effort, professionalism, and attention to detail. Most poles extend 20 to 30 feet, helping you safely reach high areas. You can also flip the brush to scrape off mud dauber nests. It may take a little extra time, but it separates you from companies that rush through jobs and helps justify premium pricing. Number 2. Invest in a backpack sprayer. Cost, $200–300. A 4-gallon battery-powered backpack sprayer is a game-changer for residential pest control. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and eliminates the need for bulky hoses or large tanks. You can fill it on site with just a few gallons of water, making it perfect for daily routes. Most models include adjustable pressure settings and multiple spray tips, allowing you to treat everything from foundations to roof lines. Compared to traditional power sprayers that cost thousands, this is a much more affordable and flexible option. Pro tip: always keep your battery charged, and consider storing a charger in your truck. Number 3. Carry a handheld pump sprayer. Cost, $80–150. A 1-gallon handheld pump sprayer is essential for precise applications, especially indoors or in tight spaces. These are perfect for spot treatments, crack and crevice work, and commercial environments like kitchens and offices. They're easy to carry, simple to control, and allow accurate application under sinks, behind appliances, and along baseboards. Investing in a higher quality unit will pay off with durability and rebuildable parts, saving you money long term. Number 4. Use a bulb duster for precision treatments. Cost, $20–50. A bulb duster allows you to apply insecticidal dust into wall voids, cracks, and crevices where liquid treatments can't reach. Dust treatments can remain effective for months, making this tool incredibly valuable for long-term control of pests like ants, roaches, and more. They're inexpensive and easy to use. Just apply a light puff. A small controlled amount is far more effective than over-applying. Number 5. Don't skip inspection tools. Cost, $10–40 total. Every successful pest control service starts with a thorough inspection. At minimum, you'll need a reliable light source like an LED flashlight or your smartphone, and a small inspection mirror. These tools help you inspect attics, crawl spaces, basements, and tight areas behind walls or appliances. The mirror, in particular, allows you to see around corners and into cracks you wouldn't otherwise access. While advanced tools like thermal cameras can come later, these basics will take you most of the way when starting out. Number 6. Carry granular spreader. Cost, $4,100. A handheld or shoulder-style granular spreader is essential for applying granules around the exterior of homes. Granular treatments are great for lawns, mulch beds, and perimeter control, especially for pests like ants, crickets, and other ground-dwelling insects. This tool allows you to apply products evenly and efficiently, giving you another service layer beyond liquid applications. It also helps you stand out by offering more complete protection. Number 7. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Cost, $50–150. Safety and professionalism go hand in hand. Basic PPE is a must-have when starting your pest control business. This includes gloves, safety glasses, respirators or masks, and protective clothing. Not only does this protect you from chemical exposure, but it also shows customers that you take your work seriously. Looking professional and following safety standards builds trust and helps position your business as reliable and credible from day one. Starting a pest control company doesn't require a massive upfront investment. With these 7 essential tools, you can begin servicing residential customers immediately and deliver high-quality results from day one, all while staying within a reasonable budget. Focus on professionalism, attention to detail, and consistent service, and you'll quickly stand out in a competitive market. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you grow your pest control business.